Welcome back to Management Process and Practices video class, and this is Naina ma'am. See, in the previous video, we already moved with administrative management, isn't it? We already commenced this. In fact, administrative management is all about 14 principles, which are the major and most important principles of management, and it is being done by Henry Fayol. Okay, so because of this reason, Henry Fayol is called as father of administrative management. So we even started discussing the principles also, and meanwhile there we discussed 7 principles. Today we shall go with further 7 principles. So the 7 principles which we already discussed are like division of work, balancing authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interest to the general interest, and the last, remuneration. Now, in today's class, we shall discuss further 7. Okay, in the eighth most principle is centralization. Just look at the word centralization. See, centralization in the sense concentrating all the powers in a single hand. You got two concepts. One is centralization and one more is decentralization. Okay, if so, the whole authority and the whole power is entrusted with a single person, will be called as centralization. Decision making is done by a single person to the centermost position, then that will be called as centralization. Instead, if so, the decision making, in the sense everyone is allowed to take part in the decision making, that will be called as decentralization. Example, if you consider an example, ಎಲ್ಲ decision ನಾನೇ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, I will never ever allow anyone to take the decision. ಈವನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಾನೇ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಅಲೋ ಈವನ್ ಮೈ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್, ದೆನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್, ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋತ್ at a considerable sum. Okay, so next is scalar chain. Scalar chain is nothing but it's all about the particular hierarchical way. Okay, there should be a presence of scalar chain. It might be for the communication or anything. If so, in the case of orders, it should pass from the top management to lower level management. No, so there should be a particular chain. Okay, hierarchy wise alla, scalar chain in the sense the way the information flows, there should be the presence of scalar chain. Okay, next is order. Order in the sense it's like a power we got. I mean to say, it's a power through which we can get the work done by others. Okay, there should be the presence of order also. Coming to the equity. Equity is all about treating everyone in an equal manner. There should be not any presence or discrimination should not be entertained. There should be no word of discrimination. Everyone should be treated equally. Okay, this what equity stands for. Stability of tenure of personnel. It is all about we talk about job security. Okay, major important thing is job security. Right at this time, no, 20,000 ಅಲ್ಲ 1,00,000 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, but if so there is no job security, we deny for being there, isn't it? So with this we say even job security is also important. We need a security for our job. Okay, initiative in the sense taking initiation. Okay, they must be allowed to take the initiation. Every participant or every subordinate should take the initiation in decision making or any other matters. Okay, last is e-spirit decorps. E-spirit decorps means unity in strength. Okay, unity is strength in unity. Okay, if so we are unified, if so there is a unity in ourselves, then there will be strength. With all these 14 principles, and Henry Fayol says that we can successfully sustain our business. we can successfully attain our objectives, we can successfully achieve our objectives. Okay, so keep in mind, as we've been with the scientific management, you know, F.W. Taylor is called as the father of scientific management. Coming to the administrative management, it is Henry Fayol. Administrative management, it's even called as process management and even 14 principles management. Okay, these are the different name we got for the same administrative management. And in the case of administrative management, most important thing is, as I said, 14 principles. Okay, these 14 principles which we discussed right from our previous video, no, it's most important, starting with division of work, balancing authority and responsibility, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interest to the general interest. And the next, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure of personnel, initiative, and e-spirit decops. So this is all about the administrative management. In the coming classes, we shall have a discussion on the further thought we go with in the evolution of management. Okay, so this is all about today's video. Hope it was interesting and understood. We shall go with the further thoughts and further theories in the coming video. Thank you.